the national flag will be hosted by the principal before the program begins.
Absolutely correct. The national flag will be hoisted by the principal before the program begins. Write down, children. Write down.
मैम ये कहाँ पे लिखा है?
The national flag will be hoisted. The national flag will be hoisted. The national flag will be hoisted. Will be hoisted. Who will try the next one?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Mother was serving dinner when the guest arrived. The dinner was being served by mother when the guest arrived.
Very good. Absolutely correct. Principal before the program begins. The program begins. Dinner was being served by. Dinner was being. To remove ing, we are using being. Dinner was being served by my mother, by mother when the guests arrived.
This is ma'am. Ma'am, can we write when the guest arrived? The dinner was being served by my mother.
Yes. No, you will not write it this way. You will write in this way, which I have written. Okay. This is more appropriate. Next question. George had repaired many cars before he received his mechanic's license. Before he received his mechanic's license. Tell me, children, this one.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, beta.
Before George received his mechanic license, he had repaired many cars.
No. You just see what is the object over here. Yes, beta. Yes.
Many cars had been repaired by George before he received his mechanic.
Yes, many
license.
cars had been repaired. Absolutely correct. Many cars had been. Many cars had been repaired. Had been repaired. Beta, first you need to check what is subject and what is object. Then you will put up the object first. It will become subject. Then you are going to use the formula. Okay. By George. Before he received his mechanic's license. Mechanics license. Next, fourth one. A wedding planner makes all the necessary arrangements and reservations for the marriage function. A wedding planner makes all the necessary arrangements and reservations for the marriage function. Tell me, children.
Ma'am, all the necessary arrangements was made by a wedding planner for the marriage function.
All the necessary arrangements. What are you saying, beta? Were made or are made? Because it is simple present. All the necessary arrangements. Come again. Speak up. Arrangements.
Ma'am, are made.
Yes, are made. Are made by a wedding planner. By a wedding planner. By a wedding planner. By a wedding planner for the marriage function. For the marriage function. Marriage function. Marriage function. Fifth one. Tell me the fifth one. The rich man
Ma'am, can I
generously
try?
donated money to the orphanage. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, beta. Yes. Speak up.
The rich man generously donated money to the orphanage. To the orphanage, the rich man generously donated money.
What is the object over here?
Ma'am, donated money
Money. So you
to
will
the
take,
orphanage.
yes, money. You
To
can
the
see this is
orphanage.
simple past tense. Verb is donated here. So money. Money was. Money
Okay.
Ma'am,
was.
money was generously donated to the orphanage by the rich man.
Yes, you can write this also. You can write this also. Money was donated generously. Money was donated generously. Generously. By the rich man to the orphanage. By the rich man. Man to the orphanage. Orphanage. Next. Next. We have been to Australia thrice. We have been to Australia thrice. I think this is passive voice. We have been. We have been to Australia thrice. So what you're going to write, we have gone to Australia thrice. We have gone to Australia thrice. We have been to Australia thrice. Write it down, children.
Ma'am, what is the answer of sixth?
We have been to Australia thrice. You can see this is, I think, in passive voice. Okay. You have to identify the tenses also. First, write the tenses also. The principal will hoist. Write down simple present. Right from the beginning. Simple present. Write down for, sorry, simple future. Will hoist, simple future. Then past continuous. Write down, children. Second one is past continuous. Can you tell me the third one? Had appeared. Which tense it is? Can you tell me, children, which tense it is?
Ma'am, past perfect.
Yes, write down past perfect. Past perfect. Past perfect. Next one. Can you tell me the next one?
Can I
Present.
tell?
Present, simple present.
Present.
Yes. Write down simple present. Write down simple present. Next one is
Simple past.
next one is first you write the
Simple past.
tenses, children.
Simple
First
past.
you write the tenses.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
First write the tenses, children. Write the tenses. Write the tenses. Then you are going to write Australia has been visited. Australia has been visited by us. Australia has been visited by us. Visited. Australia has been visited by us thrice. By us thrice. Which tense it is, beta? Which tense it is? Which
Ma'am,
tense is it?
present perfect.
Yes, present perfect. Absolutely correct. Next one is the court will have taken. Will have
Can I
taken.
tell?
Which tense it is? Yes, beta.
Ma'am, future perfect.
Yes, absolutely correct. Future perfect. So what will be the passive form of this tense?
The statement from all the witnesses will have been taken by the court before the final hearing.
Very good. The statement from all the witnesses have been taken. The statement from all the witnesses, will have been taken. Will have been taken. Will have been taken by the court. Rest is same, children. Have been taken by the court. By the court. Will have been taken by the court before the final hearing. Before the final hearing. Tell me the next one, children.
Ma'am, present continuous.
Next one is present continuous. Okay, wait. Shabnam is baking the cupcakes sort of competition. Yes, absolutely correct. This is present continuous. Now change it into passive voice.
The cupcakes
is
for
being baking.
Is being baked by Shabnam for the competition.
Absolutely correct. The cupcakes are being baked. The cupcakes are being baked
by
by,
Shabnam
yes, by
for
Shabnam.
the competition.
Yes. I think now the concept is clear to you all. By Shabnam for the competition. Now next one.
Ma'am, simple future.
Simple future. We will give laptops to all management students. Management students. Can you change it, children?
Laptops will be given.
Laptops will be given. Will be given.
To all management students by us.
Very good. To all management students by us. Or by us to all the management students, this also you can write. Laptops will be given by us to all management students. Next, they send the car to the service center. Ninth one is which tense, children? Ninth one is which tense?
Ma'am, simple future.
Simple future. Absolutely correct. They send the car to the service center. Which tense it is?
Simple past.
Yes, simple past. So what will be changed?
The car was sent to the service center by them.
Yes, the car was sent by them to the service center. Car was sent by them. Sent by them to the service center. Next one. Next, children.
In
Next one, children.
Ma'am, from next